birthday, Tita Dilay. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Dilay.
Happy
Thank
birthday
you.
to Dilay. Thank you.
One birthday. So, okay na lang. Pakabait mo na. Salamat talaga. Maraming salamat.
Hi. Happy birthday nga pala sa tita kong maganda at may edad na. Happy birthday, Tita Dilay at Tita Lolet. Sana bigyan pa kayo ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay na maraming birthday. Umabot sana kayo ng mga 100 plus. Good health kayo, Tita. Happy birthday ulit, Tita. Bye-bye.
Changlay, happy birthday. 53 years old ka na. Pero hindi halata. Mukhang 55. Joke. Wish ko lang sa'yo ngayong birthday mo is good health always. As karaniwan namin bini-wish. Good health and enjoy your day. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Unlimited. Kaya ingat dyan and God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday.